it's me. It's your girl Tiyah with Tiyah's Kitchen, checking in to show you guys how to use the sauce. Yes, we are making strides in the right direction to get the sauce to you in each and every home out there that is looking forward to ordering it. I want to make sure that you use it the correct way so it comes off as if I prepared it for you personally. There is an easy way to mess this up. So I definitely owe you guys this video. This is a long time coming. I'm making a personal order. As you can see behind me, I do have potatoes, shrimp, corn on the stove. In the oven, I have crab legs and some beef sausage today because that's just what the client ordered. And yes, I do bake my crab legs because that's my business. Shout out to Tabitha. But yes, that's my business. And honestly, you guys, when I first heard about crabs being baked, I actually turned my nose up, but it makes the crabs crack so easy. You don't even need like a cracker or anything, which makes crab night so much fun. So yeah, let's get started. Here we have the infamous tiger sauce. It does come in a 16-ounce jar. There is no label on this one, but there will be labels when you start receiving it in your home, and it will be decked out in all the Tiyah's Kitchen paraphernalia. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take the top off of this and pour it all onto the crab oil. And there you have it. Thank you guys for tuning in to Tiyah's Kitchen, showing you how to use the sauce. As you can see, it's very, very simple. If you want to boil, if you want to bake, you throw it on there and then you pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes and then you have the perfect seafood boil. I cannot wait to see all of you guys' purchases. I can't wait to see you at all the future crab nights. The next crab night will be announced soon, so please stay tuned. And I love you. Talk to you soon. Have a great one.